So do you know how to do x plus y equals 5 and 2x plus y equals 7? So x equals what? Y equals what? Does anybody here know that? I know Elaine know, Isaac know, Kai should know as well. I'm not. I think Daniel should know as well. Ivy, Ivy 到哪去了？Ivy 掉出去了。Where's Ivy?
Oh shoot! I sent it to everyone by accident.
Okay, very good, Oliver. Okay, Kai, good job. Very good. Daniel， 你在干嘛？快点！你不会做。哎，Daniel 很帅的，我跟你讲，他不好意思把脸露出来，他怕帅死你们。Daniel， 快点！你做好了没有 ？OK，Elaine 也做好了，就差你了，Daniel， 快点！你是不是不会做？不会做啊？你完了，我啊会做的。Okay, very good. Okay, so so I guess I don't have to go through this one with you. So quick question, quick. We're going to do some simple questions to wash your brain first. Okay. 1 second. 题目到哪儿去？OK， 先做这个吧。那我的题目找不着了。
Uh-oh。
对呀。啊，没有，在。很简单的题目啊，先给你们来几道简单的，洗一下脑子 ，OK？ So let's take a look at this one. Okay. A farmer has 45 chickens and rabbits. There are 140 legs altogether. How many chickens does the farmer have altogether? How many rabbits does the farmer have altogether? Okay.
With algebra?
Yeah. Anyway,做好了发给我 ，OK？ I have received 2 answers. Okay, good job. Oliver get it right. Isaac, Elaine get it right. So Daniel 说：“老师，他们都发出来了，我再发就没有必要了。”
How about me?
Okay, Elaine get it right in the first one, and Isaac get it right in the second one. Oliver get it right in the third one. 而且都没有发出来啊。So Daniel，你现在还是可以发给我的啊。
Did I get chicken, and rabbit right?
嗯哼。
How many chickens do you have, Carrie?
I now have 5.
Carrie does not have blah, blah, blah many.
Okay, Daniel, give me the answer. Hi. 和另外一个小朋友呢？ Okay, let's take a look at the first one, okay? A farmer has 45 chickens and rabbits. So chicken plus rabbit should equals 45. And there are 140 legs altogether. So because each chicken has 2 legs, so 2 times chicken. Each rabbit has 4 legs, so 4 times r equals 140. Right, in order to calculate this one, I'm going to times 2 for both ends. So it's 2c plus 2r equals 90. So 2r equals 50. So rabbit equals 25. So because c plus r equals 45, so c is 45 minus 25 equals 20. Okay, so simple. So number 2, a spider and a dragonfly. Okay, everybody. How many spiders and how many dragonflies, okay? Hmm, 还没有人发给我啊？
I sent it to you already.
Me too.
我没收到嘛。
I send it.
Daniel 问可不可以 dragonfly 是0？那如果 dragonfly 是0的话，那就是28只 spider and dragonfly 全是 spider。那28乘以8，超过200来。Get it, Daniel? And Elaine get it right. Isaac get it right. Oliver get it right. And you know what, Oliver? Congratulations. You're the first one get it right. Elaine is the second one. Isaac is the third. Daniel 说：“我看错了，我把28看成25了。那你就说好了呀，你干嘛还要打字？你打字的时候，人家已经做完了，快点。” Oliver, good job. So, Ivy, can you see the screen? Ivy 今天怎么回事？OK, Isaac 回答我的是，他 exactly 把 spider 几个和 dragonfly 几个给我打出来，没恶心死我，真是。OK, 太恶心了啊！那个 spider we're just using number S, right? And dragonfly we use D. So spider has 8 legs. So each of the spider will have 8 legs. So the number of spiders 8x plus 60 should equals 200 legs. Correct? Okay, so C and spider plus dragonfly should equals 28. Daniel, understand? Okay, so how do I do this? I'm going to times 8 for both left side and right side in order to get rid of one of the number. So 8s plus 8d equals 224. So 8, so this one, 8s minus as equals 0. 6d minus ad equals 2, negative 2d. So 200 minus 224 equals negative 24. So dragonfly equals 12. And Spider-Man, no Spider-Man, no man, spider equals 28 minus 12 equals 16. So 12 and 16. Understand, Kai? So altogether, there are 28 of them. So you give me the answer plus together, it's not even 28 yet. And you can just check your answer. So after you've done it, how to check your answer? So 12 times 6 plus 16 times 8 to see if it is really 200. Because it's 12 dragonfly, it should be having 72 legs. And 16 spiders, it should have 128 legs. So plus together equals 200 legs. Understand? So all those questions, I want you to have the ability to check yourself. This is very important, okay? So let's take a look at number 3 and the number 4, okay? So these two questions pretty easy. So number 3 and number 4, please check your answer and do yourself.
Shoot.
Okay. Number 3 and number 4, okay? Two
Oh
questions.
my, I took so long to type it in. What?
So let's take a look at number 3 questions, okay? So
What?
Andy,
Oh shoot! Oh,
Oliver 做好了吗？
Number 3 or number 4?
Both.
I'm doing.
Because
almost
Elaine
at
sent
number
me,
4.
Elaine can send me the both answers.
I'm
Very
gonna
good.
type number 4.
Okay, good job. Elaine, good job. Very good. First one to finish it, and you're right. 小姑娘赶上来了啊，你们小心一点啊，你们。
that took a long time to type.
谁说的
Me.
？Daniel，你给我的答案是第一题还是第二题 ？Daniel, congratulations. The first question you get it right. Good job.飞狗没有啦，不能再这样子。飞狗你太馋了，飞狗你是吃馋猫狗。Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one, okay? There is a problem with my mic, so I cannot talk same. Okay, no problem, Ivy, but can you just communicate with me by typing? Okay, if you don't know anything, you just stop me, okay? So Andy spent $50 in all to purchase 20 pieces of $2 and $5 stamps. So I'm gonna say the number of $2 does Andy get is X. The number of $5 stamps does Andy get is Y. Okay, so X plus Y should equals 20, right? Because altogether there are 20 pieces. And because each of the X, one piece of $2 bill, so it's 2 times X plus 5Y should equals altogether $55. So again, I'm going to times 2 for both left and right side. So 2X plus 2Y equals 40. So minus it, 3Y equals 15. So Y equals 5. So
I know
there are
way to do it.
there are $5 bill, and $2 will be 20 minus 5 equals 15.
I did
And Isaac, I appreciate it. You have another way, but today we're going to focus on this one.
variables.
Yeah. So please don't, because I know you understand both, but some students still get to know that. Kind of just to
Wait,
emphasize.
how do I
it,
do that again?
okay? So let's take a look at number 4. There are 40 cars and motorcycles in the park. There are 116 wheels altogether. And how many cars are there? How many motorcycles are there? So cars plus motorcycle is 40, right, Isaac? So because each car has 2 wheels and each motorcycle has how many wheels? Kai, 摩托车有几个那个呀？
Two.
Yeah, so it's 3 wheels. Get it? So that's why altogether it's 116. So this is how we get it. Get it? Get it, everybody? So now I'm going to times 2. So 2C plus 2M equals 80. So M equals 36. Am I right? Yes. So because there are 36 motorcycles.
Cars don't have
and the
two
car is
wheels.
four. Hmm?
Cars don't have two wheels.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, car has 4 wheels.
And motorcycle also has two wheels.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
Wait, what? Harry probably thought they were bicycles and tricycles.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Multiply 2 for this one. So 2c plus 2m equals 80. Still like that. But this time 2m minus 2m is no man. So 4c minus 2c is 2c equals 36. So car is 18. So motorcycle is 22. Thank you very much. Okay, you saved my life. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, so do you understand, boys and girls? Okay, so yeah, cars having 4 wheels. Yes. You know what? I just came back from Germany and they have so many cars with only 2 wheels. So I was like totally confused. Yes, so now I'm going to have number 5 and number 6. And for number 5 and number 6, everybody has to do it. No, I got you're tall. Everybody has to do it and has to do it quick and has to do it very nice. Okay, I trust all of you. Eh ya, 你们两个人干什么呀？ Very annoying. Go, Goldie. That's rude. No. No, I'm not going to play with you because you're so rude. No, I'm sorry. Go.
It's just gonna be more rude.
Yeah, I know, right? They're very greedy.
The dogs are just gonna be like, I don't understand a single thing Carrie is saying. I'm gonna keep on being mean to her.
Yeah, see, 你看那个，你看 Elaine 多开心。哎呀，一想到可以欺负老师，哇塞，开心的不得了。Okay, I'm waiting for your answer.
Did you get my answer?
Yes. Isaac，你很快，但是 Oliver 比你更快一点点。
I know because I spend like
Oh
a
no
lot
no
of time
no no
typing.
no 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 Oliver 只给了我一个答案 So you're the first one Isaac Congratulations Woohoo
Well, I type too slow.
Elaine I got yours Okay very good
My weakness is typing $signs.
那你既然知道自己 weakness 在那儿，你就每天 typing $sign for 1000 times 你看 Elaine 开心的爱笑的女孩运气不会太差
My school makes us do typing stuff, and then we have to type as a lesson.
那不是挺好的吗？哎，我小时候也上过这个课啊。
Same.
Yeah, when I was at your age, no, I was in grade 6. I having my typing class, and no, 初一嘛，那 should be yeah, 6年级是初一嘛，对啊。然后我每次都不及格，然后后来有一次我就愤怒了，就跟 Isaac 一样，买那个我就说我为什么弄不到，然后我就在家里面憋了打了3天字，后来我们班打字打最快的就是我愤怒了。Okay. Kai and Ivy and Daniel, I'm waiting for your answer, okay?
Did I get mine correct?
Yes.
Good.
Wow, yeah,
Mhm.
all correct.
真的啊不是 second time 了吗
No.
Okay,
Did I get all correct?
of course. 朋友们，你要不要来玩一会儿 Okay, so everybody, I'm going to quickly go through this one, okay? So Kai, Daniel, and Ivy, I want you to take a look at this one, okay? So an adult tickets for a concert is cost 35, and a concession ticket cost 18. So 看好了，大人的票是35块钱 ，OK？ Concert 是35块钱，然后 concession 是18块钱，有2种票的方法。那你就说 X 票是35块钱 ，Y 票是18块钱。Okay, so X tickets, so concert ticket 35 and concession is 18. Mr. Water paid 598 in all for 20 such tickets. So altogether, how many tickets are there? X plus Y equals 20. Understand, Kai? 对不对？好了，那每一张票是35块钱，如果有 X 张，是不是就是35乘以 X？对不对？每一张票是18块钱，那就18乘以 Y. So altogether, how much money? 598. Okay, so now we're going to do is, I'm going to times 18 for both ends. So what do I get? 18x plus 18y equals 360. I'm going to use equation 1 minus equation 2. So 35x minus 18x equals 17x. 18y minus 18y, there's no y. So 598 minus 360 equals 238. Okay, so x equals what? Equals 14. 你好，先洗澡。你先洗澡，然后再看。Okay. So y equals what? Equals 20 minus 14 equals 6. Understand? Okay, so the next one is the same. Jeff has 20 pieces of $5 and $10 notes in his wallet. The total value of notes is 125. How many notes of each such denomination does it have? 那就说5块钱它有 X 张，10块钱它有 Y 张，所以 X 加 Y 等于多少？20。Okay, the total value. 那一张是5块 ，X 张就是 5x 块。So 一张 Y 是10块，那 Y 张就是10万，就是125. So I'm going to times 5 for both end. The 100. So that means 5y equals 25. So y equals 5. So x equals what? 20 minus 5 equals 50. Okay, so now we're going to move forward to the number 7. Okay, so for the people who are thinking, oh, I know everything, Number 7 starting to get a little bit harder. Okay, so number 7 starting to get a little bit harder. So be careful. I don't want to see some questions.
Oh,
Here.
no. Uh-oh. Do we have to do number 8?
Mhm.
We do?
Number 7 only.
Oh. I sent you my answer.
Mhm. 已经做完了。
Yeah.
Very good. Daniel 一共15道题目，你告诉我22。你是打错了 ，Good job， Oliver 对的。
还是啥？是啥？
Okay, so let me just see. Daniel, thank you very much. Daniel, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 这个 science quiz 有15道题目，对不对？每做对一题加2分。看好了，每做错一题deducted。开的英语现在还不是很好，因为他刚刚从中国过来的，所以他其实他会做这个题，但他肯定这个地方看错。deducted 就你每做错一道题要减1分。OK， 这个有点像我们 SSAT 的考试啊。SSAT 考试就是这样子，对不对？你做错了，它要扣分的，对不对 ？OK， 好，那我们来看看。So altogether, if we think the number of the number you get it right is x and the number you get it wrong is y. So x plus y should equals 15. This is no problem at all. But the number 2 is 2 marks are awarded. So 2 times x is the point you're going to get. And every deducted 1 mark, so minus what? Minus 1y equals 21. Get it? 他这个21分是怎么来的 ？Kelly 的是他做对的题目减去他做错的题目等于21分，对不对 ？Very good, Daniel 这道题做对了啊。Ivy， 我现在看不到你，我也不知道你到底懂还是不懂。So I said you have to communicate with me through the typing, okay? So 2x plus 2y equals 30. So 2x minus y equals 21. Where did I get this one? 我把这个乘以了2，对不对？好了，我有个新的，那减一减。So 2x minus 2x, no x, 2y minus negative y equals 3y equals 9. So that's why y equals 3 and x equals 12. And you can check your answer. 每做对一题得2分，12题我就做对了24分。每做错一题减1分，那3乘以-1等于-3，所以24减去3等于21。So get it right. 明白了吗？看 ，OK， 你可以随时的就可以 check 你的 answer。OK，so number 8, almost the same. I want you to do it yourself. OK，so now the people who understand how to do it, I want to see how quick you can do. OK，
Did I get question 7 right?
对啊，你对的呀。
Send you the answer. Am I correct?
OK, very good. 我今天看到 Daniel 也赶上来了，他也赶上来了，很好 ，very good. OK, glad to see. 很好。
Did I get it correct?
我没有打你屁股就是对的 ，Oliver。
Did I get it correct?
对呀，老师有没有叫你打屁股呀？ Okay, so there are 30 questions in mathematics competition. Okay, 5 marks are going to reward it. 那我们这样子 x 加 y 等于30，对不对？ Okay, so Rena scored 126，对不对？那他做对一题得5分，做错一题要扣3分，对吧？就是这样。So that's the same thing. So 5x plus 5y equals 150. So I minus it, 8y equals 24. So y equals 3. Very good. 但这道题目只问你 how many questions does he get it wrong? 那3就够了。OK。Daniel 就是已经变成那个了啊，帕金森综合症啊，4和3傻分不清楚，数读，typing wrong。Okay, number 9 is the same question. Number 9 is a different, totally. 哎，我不说啊。好，第9题，我们现在 move to 第9题了。我看看有多少小朋友可以把第9题做出来。Okay, how many students can do number 9? I'm going to explain number 9 later. 这道题目有点难了啊！这道题目真的有点难了。OK, so some people's asking me. OK, so 老师，我觉得好像我都会做。OK, so 这个都会做，我们就要开始难一点的了啊 ，next level。OK， 啊，Daniel 会做。OK，Daniel 告诉我答案
I'm typing the answer.
啊。Oliver 已经做好啦。
Yeah.
I sent it to you already.
I do not know how to do it with algebra.
So how many of the first 20 questions and how many of the last 10 questions?
Also, the first numbers I said how much are wrong for the first 20 questions. Then the second part, which is I said
Okay,
2 wrong, are for the last questions.
okay, good.
Plus, I just said the answer.
Daniel，你send 给我的是对还是错的？你好像你发给我好像发错了啊。我问的是 how many question get it wrong， 你发给我的是 how many question get it right。啊，考试的话，你看都会做的，然后白做。对呀、要不要打屁股？
Dude.
真是。
I sent it to you.
Okay, good job, Oliver. And yes, they're right. OK，那 Daniel 来跟我们说一下这道题目你怎么做的。Daniel， 干嘛 ？No No No， 干嘛啊？还啊？什么？不用了，不用了。Daniel 说不用了，不用我做。哎，我等下把他的那个聊天记录发给你们看啊。他说不用了，不用了，还说啊。OK， 好 ，Oliver，your turn. You tell me how to do it.
I'm actually not sure. I just somehow did it.
哦，你知道吗 ？Daniel 说不用了，不用了，我会社会性死亡的。OK， 好，Isaac，tell me how to do it. Isaac 肯定喜欢说的。
I did it like this. For the first 20 questions,
嗯哼
if he got all the questions right, that is worth 150 points, right?
Huh?
If you got
First-
all of them right.
Okay, yeah. Because
And
it's
150
20 times 4 plus 10 times 7, right?
And then equals 100, and then 150 minus 124 equals 26. And so there's 26 marks. And because you can get 0 or 4 or 0 or 7. So you just have to find how like 4 plus 7 plus and like so you just have to find a way to make 26 with 4s and 7s.
So 26 equals something times 4 plus something times 7, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
yeah, very good. Okay, so for this question, so we're the same thing, okay? So everybody take a look at this one. 如果这个小朋友一道题都没有做错，是不是？全对前面20题80分，全对后面10题70分，所以加起来一共150分，对不对？可是他有没有150分？他没有，他只有124分，所以26分 has been missing. Why this 26 points are being deducted is because he got some questions for the first 20 and some question for the last 10 questions wrong. In order to make 26 equals a digital number times 4 plus a digit times 7, we can only have what? 2 and 3. Because 12 plus 14 equals 26. 这个地方只能是整数，对不对 ，Elaine？ Because 我们不能做1道半题对，也不能做3.5道题错，对不对 ？So they're all whole numbers. They're all are positive numbers because 我们也不能做我们 negative 1对，没有这样的，对不对 ？So all the things is just a whole number. So that's why it's 3 times 4 plus 2 times 7. Get it, everybody? Okay. So now let's move forward. OK， 我把第9题再说一下。第9题 ，so we're gonna say the number of the first question, first 20 question we get is x. So it's 4x plus 7y equals 26. Okay, sometimes we need to find out a number that only have what? Only have one equation but two variables. 那我们怎么办？就要用凑的方法。OK， 哇，我的字好难看。Listing the possible answers， 把所有可能答案写出来，看懂了吗 ？OK， 好。So number 10. Mr. George and Mr. Grinsky. Okay, number 10 and number 11.
What's a tab? It says each tab costs.
Tables.
So why does it say tab?
Same， 他们就比较懒嘛。Okay, thank you. Isaac, first one, good job. Oliver, first, second one, but 你们两个只做了一题，我说做两题的。
White.
Okay. Oliver and Isaac, both of you using one variable or two variable to do this one.
Two?
Okay, Oliver using two, Isaac using one. Okay.
What?
Yeah, because he just replaced with the table with the chair plus 20. Right? No, it's up to you. I just want to know 你们两个人的心路历程。
Done.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So first one, Mr. George spent 375 in all for 5 similar tables and 6 similar chairs. So altogether, he spent that much, okay? So each of the table is 5 and 6. So more than each chair. So table equals what? Equals chair plus 20. That's the first equation. The second equation is 5 table plus 6 chairs equals 375. Okay, so this is another way of doing that is just to replace that. So 5 times C plus 20, correct? Understand, Kai? 因为每一个 table 都等于 chair 加20，所以5个 table 就等于5乘以 chair 加20，加上6 chair 等于370。So 5 chair plus 100 plus 6 chair equals 375. So 11 chair equals 275. So chair equals 25. So table equals 45. Very good. Elaine, you get all right and very good. And you know what, everybody who is complaining about the typing is really slow. So Elaine is really good. So T equals 45, C equals 25, and B equals blah, blah, and V equals blah, blah, blah. Get it, Oliver? You can save a lot of time by typing. So Elaine is pretty smart. Okay, very good. Okay, so Mr. Grancy spent 390 on 5 similar basketball and 4. So I'm not going to explain this one because it's exactly the same as number 10. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So number 12. Wayne has 20 pieces of notes. The type of donation is, what is that? 就是他的20张钱里面有一些2块，有些5块，有些10块的。The
What's a denomination?
就是type of different kind of bills. Okay, so the number of 2 bills and number 10 bills is the same. The total value of these notes is 110. How many pieces of each donation does he have? 就是他有几张2块钱，有几张5块钱，有几张10块钱。Okay, so in this question, it looks like there are 3 variables, but actually we can just using 2. Bingo, Goldie! 他们2个在家里面打转，疯狂的跑步。Good job, Elaine. Very good. Daniel is the first one. Get them all right. Congratulations, Daniel. Though you don't want to talk, 你不想社死，但是 very good. Speed is really good. And Elaine is the second one. Good job. 哎呦，你看 Daniel 马上得意了 ，easy。来，你 easy，你来说呀，你来说，好吧，你来说。就马上害怕了，社死。他说他要社死的，没关系啊，我们不害怕你的，你那么帅，我们不害怕。来，快点，把你的脸露出来 ，Daniel。 不行啊，我害怕你们。我们不会吃了你的 Daniel。Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. So Wayne has 20 pieces of notes. Okay. So everybody, some of them are $2. 有些是5块钱，有些是10块钱，对不对？Elaine 是 I will eat you. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. 那我们知道 Note 2和 Note 10是一样的。那 Note 2如果是 X 张的话 ，Note 10也是 X， 对不对 ？OK， 那$5呢？那就 Y 张好了，你不知道，对不对 ？OK，so how much money are there? So X plus Y plus X should be 20， 对不对？因为一共20张，对不对？那 2X plus 5Y plus 10X should equals 110， 对不对？因为你看这个是2块钱有 X 张，所以就是一共有 2X 的钱 ，2 times X。5块钱的有 Y 张，所以就是5乘以 Y。那10块钱的有 X 张，也是这样，所以这个等于什么？2X plus Y equals 20 and 12X plus 5Y equals 110。那怎么办？乘以5嘛，乘以5。So 10X plus 5Y equals 100. So 2X equals 10. So X equals 5. 贝狗，你这马上就要生宝宝的人，天天上蹿下跳的干什么？ So $2 is 5. $10 also 5. 那 Y 有几个 ？Y 有10。Very good. Understand? Okay, so Isaac, 我觉得你可能有点 stuck， 就是因为你还是 try to finish them in one variable， 对不对？那有的时候我们用 one variable, of course you can finish
Nope.
everything.
I did not do that. I think I messed up with like the two numbers add up equals 10.
Okay. Okay. 我们来看一下我们下面
This
So let's take a look at this one.
yeah.
Find 5 consecutive numbers whose sum is 465. So think about it. We are moving from 3 or 2 variables to maybe more than that, but we can still solve them in one thing. So first of all, Kai 和 Daniel, 我跟你们说一下 consecutive 什么意思？我其实跟大家讲过啊，我们再说一遍。Consecutive 就是连续的数字，比如说 4, 5, 6, 7, 8，就是 consecutive。OK， 因为它是5个嘛，就 5， 对不对 ？OK， so for instance, 11, 10, 9, and 12, and 13, and also 5 consecutive numbers. 哦，看好了，看好老师是怎么写这几个数字的 ，Elaine， 你看好啊，这个时候老师做的每一件事情都不是白做的。20, 21, 22, 19, and 18. OK， 这些都是 consecutive number， 可是它们加起来肯定不等于465，对不对？好了，我们看一下。Okay, so everybody, your turn.
Do you do question 2?
No, just one.
Okay. I sent the answer to you.
Okay.我看一下谁最快啊？哎呀 ，Daniel， 你是不是在给我打字，所以慢了 ？First one, Isaac. Second one, Danny. Oh, sorry, Oliver. Elaine, Daniel. 啊 ，Daniel 还教我们怎么做的。你嘴巴说嘛，你不要打字嘛。Okay, so everybody, so Kai， 我给你看一下，和 Ivy 看一下。1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 这是5个 continuous number. So plus together equals what? 15. Okay? So 9, 8, 7, 10, and 11 equals what? 45. And if you take a proper look that 每一个数字除以它一共有5个，你看它的和除以5就等于中间那个数。看到没有？所以说465只要除以5等于多少 5 9 45 93. So the middle number 93, 92, 91, 94, and 95. Okay, this method can be used only when the odd number is an odd number, when the number of the number is odd. OK， 可以直接除。如果是 even 的，就要另外再想办法做一下。OK， 好，我们先来看一下这个。A teacher has a bag of sweets. If she gives every student in her class 4 sweets, left with 48 sweets. If she gives every student 6 sweets, she needs another 8. How many students does she give the sweets to?
Means like if if she gives every student 4 sweets, she will have 48 left, right?
Yes, you're right.
Oh.
Elaine, good job. First one.
I sent it to you already.
Oliver 可搞笑 ，Yeah, Isaac right as well. 你知道吗 ？Oliver 怎么样 ？Oliver 还是很坚持的，一定要给我写一句话。She gives it to 28 children. Okay, very good. Okay, so in this question, 我们不知道一共有多少糖 and we don't know how many kids are there. So we're gonna say the sweets are X sweets. So the candy is X. And the student is Y. Okay, so if she gives every student her class 4 sweets, that means 4 times Y plus 48 equals X, correct? So that means if each student are going to get 4 sweets, and because she has 48 left, so 4Y plus 48 equals X, the total amount of sweets. If she gives every student 6 sweets, 6Y, but she needs another 8. So that means what? You need to minus 8 in order to give 6. Correct? 太多了, which is impossible there. Okay? So both of them equals to each other. So 4Y plus 48 equals 6Y minus 8. So 2Y equals 56. So Y equals 28. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, this one, we're not doing this. This one, we're not doing this. This is your homework. We're just to go through not this one. Not this one. Yeah, okay, so let's take a look at number 8. Jonathan multiplied the month of his birthday by 31. He then multiplied the day of his birthday by 12. The sum of the two products is 213. When is Jonathan's birthday? Need to make sure that you understand, okay? So what is a month? So month cannot be something bigger than okay? The date cannot be bigger than okay? I'm not saying this, but okay, so I'm going to explain this one, okay? So Jonathan, of course, Jonathan's a human being, okay? So he has whatever month and whatever day.
The answer.
You're sending me the answer?
Yeah, I'm typing it.
Okay. So he first multiple the months, so we don't know the month. So x times 31. Then multiple the day by 12, so 12y equals 213. Okay, so this is a very typical question that you have two variables but only have one answer. Sorry, one equation. Okay, Oliver, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how do we do this? So 31 is a prime number. Okay, so 12 is not. So you can have the choice of 31x equals 213 minus 12y. So x equals what? 213 minus 12y over 31. OK， 看到了没有？那老师为什么要这样子 ？OK， so because 这个 month Elaine and Isaac 还有 Kai 还有 Daniel 还有 Ivy， 我问你有没有可能会出现2.5个 month？ 就说啊，人家问 Elaine 你生日是几月几号呀？哦，我是那个2.5月和30.1一天生的，有没有这样？没有，对不对 ？So May or June or whatever, it's a whole, it's a digit. There's no decimal, no fraction. So that's why this number 213 minus 12y could only equals to 31, 62, 93, or 126. and 157 and 188, and that's it. Why? Because if I add another 31, it's going to be over. 对不对？也就是说，它所有的答案就只能在这里面出号。So what if 如果213 and we know that y is a whole number as well. So 213 minus 31 equals what? Equals 182. So let's see. 182可不可以 ？OK, Daniel, 你去吧。182能不能被12整除 ？No. So 31 is not the answer. Okay. So let's take a look at 62. So 62, so it's 213 minus 62. So we see 12y, right? So if this one equals 62, 那 12y 就要等于151. So I'm not going to even bother. Why? Because 151 is an odd number and 12y is an even number. Any number, even times any number will be even. So this one. So I'm going to deduct all the even number because odd minus even equals odd. So 213 minus 93 equals 120. Okay, so I know, yeah, this one, y is invisible. So 当213减去100，12乘以10的时候 answer is 93. So date is 10. So when this one equals 93, so 93 divided by 31 equals what? Equals 3. So x is 3. So it's March 10th. Congratulations, Oliver. Very good. Impressive. Good job. OK, 好，那有些小朋友说，老师，只能这样凑吗？ Yeah, so this is the way of listing. Get it? Okay, so we have to understand that is not all the time that we have two variables and we have two equations. We have two variables and two equations, that's no problem. Everybody can do it. But with one equation but two variables, how do we find out? Especially when the number is big. So Isaac, remember the first question, you know how to do it, right? 4x plus 2y equals, I believe, 26, right? Earlier question. You immediately know this is 3 and this is 7y, I remember. 4x and 7y. So you immediately know it's 3 and 2, right? But the thing is, when the number is getting big, you need to be patient and do one by one, just like that. Okay, so we're going to have more of those questions to practice later. So let's take a look at this one. Find the value of C in the following. What is the value of C? So if you don't understand what it is A and A, C and C, D and D, E and E, B and B is represent the same number, okay? And obviously they are continuously, but not exactly continuously. 就比如说我这里如果是1，我这里是6，那不行。我这里是1的话，我这里就是1就是16，对不对？然后再不对。So 30 divided by 3 equals 10. So 1, 11, 21, 31. Okay, so each number is having the same differences to each other, but you have to know that all of them have this. C stands for C, A stands for A, B stands for B, and E stands for E. Okay, yeah, Oliver, you can go to washroom.
你有看见我 iPad 吗？
没有啊。 Isaac, very good. Huh? C. Mhm. So Isaac, you give me 3 answers. 我觉得这个题目我是不是理解错了？
Yeah, I saw C4 is different for each one.
真的吗
Yeah.
？No.
Oh what?
Yeah. 如果都一样的话，那 C could be anything. I could be 30, 29, 28. And this one I could say it's 46, 45,
Oh.
44. Yeah, no. It's all stands for the same number. I just explained it. 自己笑，自己做题目一边做一边笑，哈哈哈哈哈哈。你说 Isaac 是不是个傻傻？你看开心的。我这个班的小朋友啊就是这样子，对不对？老师如果不说他呢，他就觉得哎呀，一点意思都没有，对不对？ Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, this question is a little bit hard. So let's take a look at this one. We don't know the differences between this one and this one, right? We can just assume this is the difference is x. This c equals what? 31 minus x. So b equals what? 31 minus 2x. And a equals what? 31 minus 3x. That is coming from the first equation. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at the second one. CDE. So this E equals, I don't know what is the differences. I'm going to assume that they are Y. So E equals 47 minus Y. D equals 47 minus 2Y. And C equals 47 minus 3Y. So from now on, you have something in common. 31 minus X equals 47 minus 3Y. Get it, Elaine? Okay. So last one, I'm going to assume that there's Z. The difference is Z. So E equals 64 minus Z. D equals 64 minus 2Z. B equals 64 minus 3Z. And A equals 64 minus 4Z. Okay, so now you're going to have a lot of equations. This is the first one. Okay, so this is the first one. And we have what? E equals E. So number 2, 47 minus Y equals 64 minus Z. Okay, so we have 3 variables. Basically, we only need 3 equations, but I have more. So B equals B. So 31 minus 2x equals 64 minus 3Z. Sorry, my writing is a little bit messy. So I'm going to change it to a different color. Okay, so how do we do this one? Very easy. So we just change. We're going to make 3 and 1 together. Everybody, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so make 3 and 1 together. So how do we do this one? I'm going to times 2. Okay, so I'm going to, because I want to get rid of x. So times 2 is 62 minus 2x equals 94 minus 6y for this one. Okay, so this one and plus together, so this one equals what? So we have another 3 is 31 minus 2x equals 64 minus 3z, right? So minus it, 61 equals, because this one's gone, so 94 minus 60 is 30 equals negative 6y plus 3z. Okay, so just putting together, so it's 6y equals 3z minus 1. So look at this one. So we have another one is, oh, sorry. Am I right? I think I'm right. Okay, good. So now I'm looking at this one. So 47 minus y equals 64. 47 minus y equals 64 minus z. So how do we do it? I'm going to replace this one. So y equals, using this one, y equals z, so I'm moving z over there, minus 64 minus this one equals 17. So y equals z minus 17. Okay, I'm moving y here and save 64 minus it and z over there. So it's easy. Y equals z minus 17. So 6y equals 6z minus 102. So for this one, we have 6y equals 3z minus 1. So minus it, 0 equals 3z minus 101. Yeah, so 100. Oh, I think I have a calculation mistakes here. Yep. I go back. Yeah, it's too messy. But understand everybody? I hope I'm not going too fast, but this one is our basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 equations. And for both of all these, you should have 10 equations. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equations, okay? So with these 10 equations, you can basically do everything. Understand everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry, I just make a mess here. The calculation is wrong, but I'm going to do this question and put them into your group chat, the WeChat group chat. And I'm going to put it into the Google Classroom as well. 好吗？我把这个放在 Google Classroom 里面，也放在 WeChat 里面。Okay, everybody. So if there's anything you still don't understand, you can just ask me. But this is today's homework, okay? 我知道前面大家就觉得啊很简单，对不对？ So if you have a solid one, then later on will be okay as well. So you're going to finish the whole thing. So the 14. So 14 questions. So the earlier one we have go through already. So all you need to do just to finish, I think it's just a 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and 14. But all the questions before, I want you to simply just do it like properly as well. Understand everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and we're gonna see each other next week. And plus, okay, everybody, 如果有不懂的，就回去看一下录像，因为我觉得 I explained pretty much well, right? Isaac, don't you agree with me? Yeah, Ivy and Daniel, 虽然你很帅，对不对？但是你就是不想让我们看，对不对？ But it's okay, okay. 但是老师就跟你们说，上课的时候看，如果有不懂的话，或者你觉得老师是用英语说的，你听不懂，那就我再重新说一遍，好吗？ Okay, 看。Okay, so that's it for today's class. We should have a nice, wonderful weekend. Okay, bye-bye. Not weekend yet. Okay, bye-bye.